Hello, how are you? Today we're going to be making refrigerator lime pie. We're going to use the ingredients you see here, except you'll notice that I do not have key limes. I could not get key limes where I live, so I'm having to use regular limes today. The first step I take is to crush a pack of honey-made graham crackers. I use a rolling pin and a large Ziploc bag. You can use a food processor. I just don't want to make the mess, honestly. Once I get the graham crackers all crushed, then I melt the butter in the microwave. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar to the butter and mix it up with a fork. Then we're going to add the butter to the crackers and mix it all with a fork till it's all kind of coarse and crumbly. And then it will be ready for your pan. Alright, using clean hands, I just put the cracker mixture in the pan and press it down, building it onto the sides, just to the shape of my pie pan. Next, we're ready to work with our limes. I just kind of roll them around on my cutting board to get the juices flowing. And then after that, I cut them all in half so I can juice them. I just use an old-timey little plastic juicer. It takes a little time and effort, but it's just easier for me. I want to mention here that I usually make this with lemons, and it's just my personal favorite. This one is good also, so try them both. Next, we're going to separate our eggs, and make sure you start with room temperature eggs. Put your whites to the side. Our organic eggs today were courtesy of this sweet little Miss Lincoln. She's a beautiful silky chick. Alright, next we're going to put 1 can of Eagle brand milk or sweetened condensed milk into a large mixing bowl. This we're going to add our egg yolks and our lime juice. Also, you need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. I always use genuine, not imitation. Next, I mix this up with a whisk until it's creamy smooth. There's really no point in using a hand mixer or anything. This will mix very well and very easily. Alright, next you're just going to pour this into your graham cracker crust and cover it and place it in the refrigerator for several hours until it's chilled and set. Now we're ready to make our never fail meringue. You will need the egg whites from earlier, your cream of tartar, marshmallow cream, and confectioner's sugar. Make sure your bowl mixers are squeaky clean and that your eggs are room temperature. Mix the whites until they have soft peaks forming. Then I'm going to stop mixing and add a 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar, but just a little bit at a time. Then I mix for a moment, add a little bit at a time, and mix again, just to make it smooth. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar and mix it one more time. Then add 1/3 cup of marshmallow cream and fold in with a spatula. Once you get this folded in, you're ready to put this on your pie. Spread it to the edges and make little peaks with your spatula or decorate however you choose. Alright, next we're going to put it in the oven under the broiler, and it will brown very quickly. So stay right with it, don't walk away. Trust me, I've learned, burned so many. Just stand right there with it and it will brown quickly and it will be beautiful. Not much left to do now, but let everybody enjoy your beautiful pie. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Can't wait to see you next time.